Say around 5:30, stay until the morning, then I carry on and live my hollow life. Did you really take my soul? Came and then you left a hole. Shot me in the late night, bleeding out in plain sight, running with the heart you stole. You got your desires, always starting fires, losing sleep, I'm in too deep, I'm hiding Michael Myers, building an empire, you were rising higher, standing tall but you will fall cause we all hear the choir. Beautiful lust, dragging me under the table.
Why do we always pick stupid times to work on cars, have you noticed?
What's it better? 6 o'clock. Where's the spanner then? Did it get the floor?
Yeah, you knocked it down.
It's on the floor.
Let me have a look. We've the fucking shit start of this car, man. It's fucking wrong. Oh, I see. Then by the offer. If you stick your hand in there, go on, just stick it in deep. Go on, push it down. That's it, harder.
Oh yeah.
Harder.
Oh yeah. Oh,
There you go.
that's broken.
Let me see if I can do this and video it at the same time. You notice my hands are dirtier than yours? The fucking... Man, you're just getting all the shit jobs, man. I'm gonna have to fucking turn this off. I don't fucking use my brain at the same time.
That this life will carry on. I'll stay until you leave me drowning. I've slayed a couple demons in my day who don't know I can't be slayed. Oh no. Beautiful lust, dragging me under the table. Hell in her eyes, she wants to put me in a hole.